Code and digitalization is driving basically the rest of our futures.
Developers are creators, and without developers we wouldn't see all the inventions we have in our society.
We need to bring this power together to drive it forward.
A ton of programmers in one place, and it's really cool.
Our intention has to be how can we be ahead of the development, how can we reap the benefits, because it's not possible to lock technology in a box.
So many different things going on.
The topics are pretty diverse, from AI to NLP to traditional software engineering.
It's geeky, it's nerdy, but it's fun, right? And it's what we work with.
The focus on the people who really are doing the things, who are making it, it's something I think which is unique, which is really the nice portion of this event.
I like to say developers are writing the script of the future. They're really creating code which determines how the world will operate in the future.
I think it's valuable for developers to get together and talk. So many things can be figured out in person.
We are really fascinated and happy to host this conference here in Vienna.
Everywhere you look, developers. You see where I'm going with this? Developers! 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 Developers!
This is by far the biggest conference I've ever been to for developers. So it's just like a whole other level.
The atmosphere is super chilled, everybody's super friendly, happy, a lot of happy faces. It's really a great and amazing crowd here.
You never really have an occasion where so many developers get together. We have over 3,800 developers at this event today.
So, welcome. This is a very large audience. I'm used to smaller crowds.
What an awesome audience you are. I mean, you should be here and see this.
Dramatic, amazing talks from visionary people that are in the industry. Just being able to explore that is an amazing opportunity.
People I look up to and respect and really was eager to hear.
I'm very happy to be here, very proud to be here, very proud that something I created 25 years ago is still of interest to young developers like yourself.
I think that even just me talking about the way I do game development, that can be applied to other kinds of tech that people are working on, and that's super helpful.
There is a variety of talks at this conference that you don't see at many tech conferences.
Well, I think it's important for people to be up to date on coding standards, to meet other people, to have a community forum around the work they're doing. So I think it's very important to have such gatherings.
I don't think I've ever been to a conference where you see there's such a range mix of people, you know, really top-notch people, and just a mix of new and the old. Really, yeah, that's wonderful.
We're coming up with new solutions constantly, and it takes people to actually first imagine that and then also put that into practice.
I think it's super important for people of that kind of high caliber to connect together, to meet new people, to grow and learn from each other.
In today's world, you need developers everywhere.
Ecosystems create stuff, and this is what I feel is happening here.